Here on the workbench is a Nokia 6.1 Plus. This one was brought in with issues of not charging, which in the end I've had no luck resolving, but I believe it's a damaged charger port on this one. So to begin with, on the heat pad, 60 degrees, I'm about to use some isopropyl around the outer edges of the back cover and work my way around. Being that this one's already shattered, I'm expecting it just to break further, but for the sake of practice it's worthwhile doing it the right way and still using the isopropyl around the outer edges. One thing I did discover with this is it doesn't seem to be relatively stuck around the straight edges. On the corners though, it does seem to be fairly stuck down from there. So if you can get underneath from a corner or a straight edge and then proceed down to a corner, hopefully you have a bit of luck of loosening that grip. You'll definitely notice it when it's lifted, but hopefully you can do that without breaking the back cover, which on this one I think it's made of glass, so that is a very high risk that it's going to happen. So as you see here, I'm having a bit of luck lifting up the edges. So I'm working my way from the flat edge to the corner. Let's pop that side. Just working my way to the next corner. And from there I can lift. Just be cautious of the fingerprint sensor, or the rear fingerprint sensor flex cable. That one's still clipped in. Then from here, I found the disassembly of this relatively straightforward. With it, it does use a T5 torque screwdriver. I didn't find any Phillips heads, everything's just T5, which nice big chunky screw head. So you shouldn't really be stripping these at all. And overall, it's relatively straightforward to come apart. There's about 4 screws in the bottom section, or 4 to 5. And the top section where the mainboard is, there looks to be about 8 offhand. But overall, the disassembly, once that back covers off, is relatively straightforward. So from here on out, I'll let the video play. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.